Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you some tips to stop iPhone 13 battery life draining faster. Do you feel the battery of iPhone 13 drains faster? Since switching to iPhone 13, there are so many users who feel the battery life is worse. Battery draining problems are so commonly mentioned. Fortunately, there are usually explanation to the battery life and resolution available too. So in this video, I'll tell you some ways to fix battery life. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is keep the update of iOS. For this, go to settings and choose general option. Next, choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available. Then tap on update now. Update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is install app updates. Updating apps will ensure the compatibility with the latest iOS and iPadOS version. For this, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture in the top right. Next, scroll down. Here you will see all the apps. If you see the option of update all here, then tap on update all and update all the pending apps and you are done. And the next step is find what apps using battery. Find which apps are using battery by going to settings. Then choose battery. Next, scroll down. You may notice an outlier or two, typically streaming videos or games, and other than updating those apps, you might consider quitting them. If you are not using them, you can also check the device battery health. If it's lower than 80%, it may be worthwhile to replace the battery of the device and you are done. And the next step is stopping Spotify playing music videos. Spotify is currently known to drain the battery on iPhone at a rather significant pace for some users, particularly notable when the app is in the background. There are few workarounds to this, but a fix from Spotify is in the works. Deleting and reinstalling Spotify from iPhone has resolved the problem for some users. For this, you just need to press and hold on the Spotify app on your iPhone. And then choose remove app and then choose delete app from your iPhone and then reinstall it again from the App Store. And also you should disable background app refresh for Spotify and you are done. And the next step is remove unwanted apps and empty cache to free up space. To remove any unwanted app, you just need to tap and hold the app and then choose delete app. To empty cache to free up space, for this go to settings and then choose general. Next, choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. Scroll down. To delete an app, tap on the app and then choose offload app and then choose offload again to confirm, or you can delete the app from here and you are done. And the next step is lower display brightness. Turning down the brightness of your display can help to prolong the battery life of the iPhone, since doing so causes the device to use less energy. Adjusting screen time is easy via settings. Next, scroll down and go to display and brightness option and then use the slider and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you to disable some functions on your iPhone. You should disable location services. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security option and choose location services at the top and then choose the apps to disable location usage for and then set location access to never or ask next time and you are done. You should also disable Bluetooth. If you hardly use Bluetooth, then turning it off. For this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the Bluetooth icon to disable it and you are done. Also, you should delete unnecessary widgets from your iPhone. Also, you should disable motion effects. For this, go to settings and then choose accessibility. Scroll down and choose motion option and tap on the reduce motion toggle button to enable it and you are done. And the next step is force to start the iPhone. For this, you just need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone 13 battery life draining faster, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.